Somebody ready to try something new, baby? Avocado, here we come. What do you think? What do you think? Is it home run? Open up. Let's try again.
What do you think, Liam? Who likes avocado? Yeah? You?
Is that good?
Bye-bye.
What do you think, handsome? Okay. It's good? Who's gonna